Hello, good morning. This is this is wisdom. This is wisdom, the CEO of Legacy Institutional Forex. Good morning once again. Okay, we want to look at cadjpy. All right, cadjpy. Uh, I'm a swing trader, intraday, and position trading. All right, but what we are going to look now is we are going to look at it based on position trading. All right, using institutional psychology and thinking. All right, I am looking at buying this market. All right, at buying this market. I want to give you some updates. All right, some updates so that you know what I am thinking of about this market. Now, looking at I just said position trading. All right, in position trading, we make use of monthly. All right, make use of daily, weekly, and daily. Our entry is always on daily or H4, but to be very precise, the entry should be on daily. All right, I am not talking about how retail traders use their psychology, how they think. I'm a retail trader, but I use institutional psychology in my reasoning. So that's why I say that my bias is monthly, my setup is on weekly, my entry is on daily. All right, if I still want to go back to 4 hours, but daily is very perfect in position trading. All right, so looking at the chart right now, you are going to see that price is making lower high, lower high, lower high, low. Another high is creating here. All right, that is what the market is doing on, so which means monthly time frame is bullish. All right, monthly is what? Very, very bullish. We can see monthly is bullish. All right, since the monthly is bullish, I am having my entries, my setup is on weekly time frame. All right, let's go down to weekly time frame. All right, now in my weekly time frame, I am looking at price. This level here is my point of interest. All right, this level here is my point of interest. So what am I expecting? I am expecting the market price to drop from this point that you are seeing here to this point. All right, now I will join the trend. Remember, the overall trend is bullish, which is buy. So this is weekly time frame. Looking at the weekly time, you are going to see that the price market was making low, high, low, high. It made another low, it made another high, which it gave us break of structure at this level here. This level here that you are seeing my cursor, that was break of structure. After break of structure, what else did we experience? We see markets consolidating. All right, we see market doing what? Consolidating at this range. Market is consolidating at this range. So at this range, we are having what we call accumulation at this range. So after accumulation, I am looking forward to see the market break down out from this accumulation to give us a fake pullback. All right, to the overall trend. Remember, when you are trading with institutional psychology, you need to understand that weekly, if the high time frame is bullish, you don't just enter on a buy. You must wait for the next time frame that you use as your setup to give you a pullback to the direction of the trend. Pullback to the direction of the trend. So that's what I'm doing. It's so simple. So I am expecting this price after this accumulation to drop to where I have this this other line here. This other line here. Okay, let me put it yellow. I'm expecting price to pull down from this range to where I'm having this yellow. Then I'll be buying it from this level. So now if we get back to get down to daily, which we are going to use it as our entry time frame, you can see very well that looking at daily, market is the price is making lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. You can see after ranging it breaks out. What we are seeing here is just lower high, which correspond. I tell you that overall market is bullish, but for you to trade it correctly, you need to understand that you must wait for market to give you pullback into the direction of the trend. If price is not giving you pullback into the direction of the trend, you are not to trade. All right, you don't trade everything. If it is not a plus setup, please do not trade. I love telling my mentees that don't rush the market. Allow the market to react. Allow the market to come to you. If the market comes to you, you make the final decision and you're going to make money. Don't on your laptop every minute, your phone, trying to look for setup when there is nothing. All right, so now looking at daily that we're going to look for use for setup for entries. I am waiting for price to break down to these points that I'm having yellow line here. If that is done, that will be a very nice entry. Remember, this position trade we are going to hold it for more than probably a year. So guys, I will update you guys, but we're just waiting for it to play out. We wait for the market to come to us. When market come to us, we take it. If it's not coming to us, we allow it to go. That is the discipline. Do not force the trade. Allow it to play out. Let what you trade appear on the screen. That will give you this conviction to take advantage. All right, this is Wisdom, the CEO and founder of Legacy Forex. All right, my phone number is 09050168503. In case you need my assistance, you can always chat me up. Thank you. Bye bye.